Hello everybody, we are the Greek team and we will introduce you to the sport of basketball. We could say that it is one of the most frequently challenged and taught sports from an early age, as it helps children gain unique experiences by participating in games to develop team spirit and cooperation, to socialize and consolidate the concept of competition.
These are the main rules for basketball. In basketball, two teams can play, consisting of 5 players each. The game consists of 4 periods of 10 minutes. The winning team is one with the most points. If the score in the end is equal, the teams play another period of 5 minutes until there is a winner.
In regular play, a basket made from within the 3-point line is worth 2 points, and a basket shot from outside the 3-point line is worth 3 points. When shooting a free throw is worth 1 point.
Rules for the offense. The basketball team on offense is the team with the ball. When a player has the ball, there are certain rules they must follow. The player must bounce or dribble the ball with one hand while moving both feet. If at any time both hands touch the ball or the player stops dribbling, the player must only move one foot.
The basketball player can only take one turn at dribbling. In other words, once a player has stopped dribbling, she cannot start another dribble. A player can only start another dribble after another player from either team touches or gains control of the ball. This is usually after a shot or pass. The ball must stay in bounds inside the court. If one team loses the ball out of bounds, the other team gets control of the ball.
A player's hand must be on top of the ball while dribbling. If he or she touches the bottom of the ball while dribbling and continues to dribble, the ball goes to the other team. Once the offensive team crosses half court, they may not go back into the backcourt.
Defensive rules. The team on defense is the team without the ball. The main rule for the defensive player is not to foul. A foul is described as gaining an unfair advantage through physical contact.
Rules for everyone. Although the full rule applies the same to all players on the court, including offensive players. Basketball players cannot kick the ball or hit it with their fist. No player can touch the ball while it's traveling downward towards the basket or if it is on the rim.
To conclude, we would like to emphasize that our country tries to support basketball because it contributes dynamically to the improvement of mental health and mood of children. The Greek NBA basketball player Giannis Antetokounmpo is a proof that when a person dreams of something, he or she can do it despite the obstacle he will encounter.
We hope you liked our video. Thank you for your attention.